If you can't stay consistent, listen carefully. Because the problem isn't your motivation. It's something much deeper. And today, you're going to fix it. You start strong. Day 1, you're focused. Day 2, still going. Day 3, a little tired, but okay. Then suddenly, you stop. No warning, no big reason. You just fall off. And then what happens? You feel guilty. You blame yourself. You say, I'll start again tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week. And next week becomes never. Sound familiar? The real problem. Let me tell you something most people won't. You are not lazy. Read that again. You are not lazy. If you were lazy, you wouldn't even try. But you do try. You start things. You make plans. You want to improve. So what's the real problem? The real problem is this. You rely on motivation. And motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like waves. Some days you feel unstoppable. Other days you can't even get out of bed. If your success depends on how you feel, you will always fail. Because feelings are temporary. But success requires consistency. Discipline versus motivation. Here's the truth. Motivation is an emotion. Discipline is a system. Motivation says, I'll do it when I feel ready. Discipline says, I'll do it no matter how I feel. That's the difference. Successful people don't wake up excited every day. They don't feel motivated all the time. They just show up, even when they're tired, even when they're bored, even when they don't feel like it. Because they understand one thing. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to go hard for one day. You need to show up every day while you keep failing. Let's break it down. There are 3 main reasons you can't stay consistent. 1. You set unrealistic goals. You go from doing nothing to trying to do everything. Work out 2 hours. Study 5 hours. Wake up at 5 a.m. That's not discipline. That's self-sabotage. Your brain resists sudden extreme change. So what happens? You burn out and quit. 2. You depend on feelings. You wait to feel like it. But here's the problem. You will never feel like doing hard things. No one feels like working out. No one feels like studying. No one feels like grinding. They just do it. 3. You don't have a system. You rely on willpower. But willpower is limited. If you have to decide every day, you'll eventually choose the easy option. That's why you need systems. Not motivation. Not willpower. Systems. How to fix it. Now, let's fix this. Here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Start small. Really small. Forget big goals. Start with something so easy. You can't say no. Instead of 1-hour workout, do 10 minutes. Instead of 50 pages, read 5 pages. Instead of waking at 5 a.m., wake 30 minutes earlier. Why? Because consistency matters more than intensity. Small actions, repeated daily, become unstoppable. Step 2. Remove decision-making. Decisions drain energy. So remove them. Set a fixed time. Example. I will study at 8 p.m. every day. No thinking. No debating. Just action. Make it automatic. Step 3. Build identity, not just habits. This is powerful. Stop saying, I want to be disciplined. Start saying, I am a disciplined person. Your actions follow your identity. If you see yourself as someone consistent, you will act like it. Step 4. Accept imperfection. You will miss days. That's normal. But here's the rule. Never miss twice. Miss 1 day, fine. Miss 2 days, you're building a new habit quitting. Stay in the game. Step 5. Make it hard to quit. Change your environment. Keep your phone away. Remove distractions. Prepare everything in advance. Make the right choice easy. And the wrong choice hard. Mindset shift. Now listen carefully. Discipline is not punishment. It's freedom. When you control your actions, you control your life. Without discipline, you become a slave to your moods. You do what feels good now and suffer later. But with discipline, you do what's hard now and enjoy life later. That's the trade. Pain now or regret later. Choose wisely. The truth no one tells you. Here's the brutal truth. No one is coming to save you. No perfect moment. No sudden motivation. No magical change. It's just you. Your choices. Your habits. Your discipline. Every single day. You are building your future or destroying it. So if you can't stay consistent, now you know why. And, more importantly, you know how to fix it. Start small. Stay consistent. Forget motivation. Build discipline. Because, at the end of the day, success isn't about what you do once. It's about what you do every single day. Now, the question is, are you going to stay the same? Or finally become consistent? The choice is yours. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep growing.